know you well enough to call you fellow plunderers. There is not an industrial company on earth, not an institution of any kind, not mine, not yours, not anyone's, that is sustainable. I stand convicted by me, myself alone, not by anyone else, as a plunderer of the earth, but not by our civilization's definition. By our civilization's definition, I'm a captain of industry, in the eyes of many a kind of modern-day hero, but really, the first industrial revolution is flawed, it is not working, it is unsustainable, it is the mistake. And we must move on to another and better industrial revolution and get it right this time.
Cuando pienso en lo que podría ser, veo una organización de gente comprometida con un objetivo. El objetivo de no hacer daño. Veo una compañía que ha roto el cordón umbilical con la tierra por sus materias primas, utilizando las materias primas que ya se hayan extraído y usándolas una y otra vez, impulsando ese proceso con energías renovables.